children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great and are inside your houses and not going out. Students, you have to be safe from coronavirus. So be at home and study as well as play inside the house only. So children, we studied about nouns in the previous video, as in what nouns are. So let us recall it fastly. So what are nouns? A noun is the name of a person, place, a thing, or an idea. So basically, anything that is around us and has a name is what we call as noun. And we also studied about proper and common nouns. So let's move on to a new topic. But before going on to the new topic, let us read few lines. Let's look at the screens. Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. Mr. Mohanlal drives children to school every day. Mr. Mohanlal is a jovial man. Now, don't you think it's too much Mr. Mohanlal, Mr. Mohanlal, Mr. Mohanlal? Yes? Like in Hindi also, when we speak about someone, for example, Monica school जाती है, Monica सोती है, Monica खाती है, Monica खेलती है. So instead of using Monica and Monica again and again, we speak like this. वह खाती है, वह सोती है, वह स्कूल जाती है, वह खेलती है. तो similarly, here also, it's quite tedious and it's taking a lot of time to actually speak Mr. Mohanlal again and again. And it is not even interesting to speak like this. So, Mr. Mohanlal, which is actually a proper noun, we will replace it with some other word. Okay, now we will put some other word in place of Mr. Mohanlal. Now let's see which word we have put in place of Mr. Mohanlal. Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. He drives children to school every day. He is a jovial man. So students, have you seen that we have replaced Mr. Mohanlal with the word he. With the word he. So what do we call these words which replace a noun? So if we are replacing noun with some other word, what do we call them? Let's see, what do we call them? So we call them pronouns. We call them pronouns. हिंदी में pronoun को हम बोलते हैं सर्वनाम. क्या बोलते हैं? सर्वनाम. So a pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. तो ऐसा वर्ड जो हम नाउन को हटाकर कोई और वर्ड जोड़ दें, नाउन को हटाकर कोई और वर्ड जोड़ दें, तो हम उसको बोलेंगे प्रोनाउन. ओके, सो अ प्रोनाउन इज़ अ वर्ड दैट रिप्लेसेस अ नाउन. रिप्लेस का मतलब उसे हटाकर खुद आ जाना. और वी कैन ऑल्सो से लाइक दिस, अ प्रोनाउन इज़ अ वर्ड दैट इज़ यूज्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ अ नाउन. नाउन की जगह पर वी विल यूज़ अ वर्ड विच वी कॉल एज प्रोनाउन. हिंदी में बोलेंगे सर्वनाम. नाउ लेट्स see some examples of pronoun. Amal is a school girl. Now Amal is a proper noun. So instead of saying Amal is a school girl, we will replace Amal with a shorter word like she. She is a school girl. So instead of Amal, we have replaced it with the word she. And in the another example, Ahmad is a school boy. So instead of saying Ahmad is a schoolboy, we can say like this, he is a schoolboy. So we have replaced Ahmad with the word he. So what are pronouns? Pronouns are the words that replace a noun. Okay? Pronouns are the words that are used in place of a noun. And we have also seen the examples. Now, we can use pronouns for singular noun also and plural noun also. But what are actually singular and plural nouns? What we don't know about them. So let me tell you what a singular noun is. A singular noun means one person, one place, one thing or one idea. कोई भी एक चीज़ होगी ना, सिर्फ एक, तो we will call it singular. What do we call it? Singular. For example, one cat, one store, one item. Everything that is one, सिर्फ एक. And what about plural? Plural means more than one. एक से ज़्यादा. अब एक से ज़्यादा दो भी होगा, तीन भी होगा and many more. So anything that is more than one, एक से ज़्यादा, is what we call as plural. For example, 2 cats, 4 stores, 15 items. So if we want to replace one cat with a pronoun, one store with a pronoun, or say 2 cats with pronoun or 4 stores with a pronoun, so we need singular pronoun as well as plural pronouns. Okay, so for singular noun we use singular pronoun and for plural nouns we use plural pronouns. So I hope till here everything is clear. Yes, we have done what a pronoun is. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun, जो noun को हटाकर खुद बैठ जाता है. That is actually a pronoun. And then we have studied about singular and plural nouns. Singular noun means one person, one place, one thing, one idea. And plural nouns more than one, एक से ज़्यादा कुछ भी होगा, that is plural. So we have singular pronouns and plural pronouns. In singular pronouns we have I. I means मैं, तो मैं तो एक ही हूँ ना, तो singular I. You. You means तुम भी तो एक ही हो, तो you. He. Now he means एक लड़का. एक लड़के के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं he. एक लड़के के लिए. She हम यूज़ करते हैं for one girl. So for one girl we use she. And it is used for one thing, one animal. Okay, for animals also we use it, but one. It has to be one thing and one animal. Now in plural pronouns we have we. We means हम. अब हम तो दो भी हो सकते हैं, हम तीन भी हो सकते हैं और हम बहुत सारे भी हो सकते हैं. So एक से ज़्यादा हो गए ना, it is more than one. So either we are 2, we are 3 or many. So but we are more than one. तो एक से ज़्यादा अगर कुछ भी होगा that is plural. So we means हम. They means वो सब. Okay, तो वो means वो दोनों, वो तीनों, वो सब. They all are they. Now you. Now students, see very carefully that I have used you in both singular pronouns and plural pronouns. In singular pronoun this you is you, one person, मेरे सामने वाला एक person. एंड प्लूरल प्रोनाउन में जो यू है वो मेरे सामने कितने भी हो सकते हैं. मेरे सामने 2 हो सकते हैं, मेरे सामने 3 हो सकते हैं, मेरे सामने बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं. लाइक you all children. So I will call you, how are you? So if I am saying how are you, that you means I am talking to everybody, to you all. So you is a pronoun that is used for both singular and plural pronouns. So we use you in both singular and plural forms. Let's see example. It is an important game. You must play as a team. Now see here, there are 4 boys. So we are talking to all 4. We are asking them to play as a team. It is an important game. You must play as a team. So I am saying that you four should play as a team. So instead of saying you four, I have used you. So you can be used in both singular and plural forms. Let's see one more example. Do you have a pet? Does it play with you? Now, here I am talking to only one boy. See, there is only one boy. So I am talking to him. I am talking to this boy. Do you have a pet? क्या तुम्हारे पास पेट है? Does it play with you? क्या वो तुम्हारे साथ खेलता है? So we can use you in both plural and singular form. Okay, so let's learn it. Okay, let's learn it very thoroughly. अपने दिमाग में ना इसको बिठा देते हैं. Okay, it is used for one thing or one animal. She is used for one girl, only one girl. For girl we will use she. He is used for one boy. So for one boy we will use he. Let's learn this. I hope you all have learned this. He for boy, she for girl, it for thing and animal. Okay? Now, okay, let's recapitulate what we have learned. जो हमने अभी तक पढ़ा है ना, उसे फटाफट से देखते हैं कि हमें कितना आता है. ओके, सैम एंड आई, मतलब सैम और मैं, तो हम तो दो हैं. हम मीन्स वी मीन्स हम दो भी हो सकते हैं और हम बहुत सारे भी हो सकते हैं, बट यहाँ पे तो दो ही दिए हैं, सैम एंड आई, सो इट विल मेक वी. Jane. Now Jane is the name of a girl. Okay, she is a girl. So we will use she for Jane. She pronoun हम use करेंगे for Jane. अगर हमें Jane को हटाना होगा तो उसकी जगह पे we will use she. Mom and dad. Now mom and dad मतलब वो दोनों. अब वो दोनों तो they होगा. So they. क्या होगा? they. Bob. Now Bob is the name of a boy. Bob is the name of a boy, and for boy I have taught you that we use he. We will use he. The small frog. Now I have told you for animals. Now it is a frog. Okay. For frog we will use it. What will we use? It. So I hope till here everything is clear to you, that we use pronouns to replace a noun. Noun को हटाकर जो खुद बैठ जाता है, that is what we call as pronoun. And why do we use pronoun? Because we don't want to use nouns again and again. We don't want to use nouns again and again. So we use pronouns for them because they are easy, they are simpler, and they are also interesting. And it will take less time to speak pronouns rather than saying Mohan Lal, Mr. Mohan Lal. तो हम he use करेंगे उनके लिए, है ना? We will use he. तो ऐसे ही we use pronouns. And then I talked about that there are singular pronouns like he, she, it, I, and there are plural pronouns. Plural pronouns we, they, you. Let's see one more worksheet. This ball is small. Now this ball is a thing. So for thing I have told you we use it. It is small. This rose is red. This rose. Now rose is a flower. It's a thing. So for rose we will use it. It is red. My father is a farmer. My father. Now father is a boy. So for boy I have told you we use he. He is a farmer. My mother is 30. My mother. For mother we will use she. She is 30. Asta is my dog. Now Asta is a dog, and dog is an animal. For animals we use it. It is my dog. So for a boy, use he. For a girl, use she. For a thing or an animal, use it. Let's see one more worksheet. Now, queen. Queen is a girl, so she is a queen. We will use she. She is a queen. Now a fish. For a fish, it's an animal, we will say it. It is a fish. Now there are these two people, so they are children. They are children. A duck. For duck, it is a duck. Okay, and this boy is a painter, so he is a painter because he is a boy. So students, now we have learnt what pronouns are. That means any word that replaces a noun is a pronoun. Then we talked about singular pronouns and plural pronouns, and we have done worksheets also. Now let's see how we categorize pronouns. How we categorize pronouns. So we categorize pronouns in three parts: first person, second person, थर्ड पर्सन. हिंदी में प्रोनाउंस को हम बोलते हैं सर्वनाम. आई हैव टोल्ड यू. सो जब आप हिंदी में सर्वनाम पढ़ोगे, सो यू विल ऑल्सो स्टडी अबाउट फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकेंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन. फर्स्ट पर्सन को बोलते हैं प्रथम पुरुष. व्हाट डू वी से फर्स्ट पर्सन? प्रथम पुरुष. सेकेंड पर्सन मध्यम पुरुष. सेकेंड पर्सन मध्यम पुरुष. थर्ड पर्सन अन्य पुरुष. थर्ड पर्सन अन्य पुरुष. So we will talk about them in Hindi, but they all are same. If you are studying it in English, it is the same thing. Now, what is a first person? First person means the person who is speaking. So the person who is speaking. Now, since ma'am is speaking, I am speaking, so the first person is I, यानी कि मैं. फर्स्ट पर्सन का मतलब होता है वो इंसान जो बात कर रहा है. जो बात कर रहा है. अब बात तो मैं कर रही हूँ, सो आई इज़ द फर्स्ट पर्सन. अब देखो, या तो बात मैं करूँगी या हम सब करेंगे. सो वी मीन्स हम. अब हम दो भी हो सकते हैं, हम तीन भी हो सकते हैं, एंड मैनी मोर. सो if it is more than one person who is talking, so we. I've told you the concept of we. So in the first person, either I will speak or we will speak. या तो मैं बोलूँगी या हम बोलेंगे. ठीक है. Now second person. Second person means the person I am talking to. The person I am talking to. अब मैं सामने किससे बात कर रही हूँ? तो सामने तो मेरे यू. या तो वो यू एक पर्सन है या फिर वो यू बहुत सारे पर्सन्स हैं. सो यू इज़ द सेकेंड पर्सन. या तो वो एक होगा या वो दो होंगे या तीन या बहुत सारे. सो यू सिंगुलर और यू प्लूरल. सेकेंड पर्सन. सो फर्स्ट पर्सन इज़ द पर्सन हु इज़ टॉकिंग, हु इज़ स्पीकिंग, एंड सेकेंड पर्सन इज़ द पर्सन हु इज़ इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी and I am talking to that person. Now third person. Third person is the person we are talking about, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. Now we can talk about a person like a boy, a girl, or a thing, or a place. We can talk about anything. So anything we are talking about or any person we are talking about is the third person. So जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं वो थर्ड पर्सन होगा. So he means a boy, she means a girl, it means anything, any animal, and they मतलब उन सब के बारे में, वो सब. तो मैं उन सब के बारे में ही बात कर सकती हूँ. So now let's look into them in detail. फर्स्ट पर्सन. आई हैव टोल्ड यू फर्स्ट पर्सन, द पर्सन हु इज टॉकिंग, हु इज स्पीकिंग. तो अब जो बात कर रहा है, द पर्सन हु इज टॉकिंग इज आइदर सिंगुलर और प्लूरल. अब या तो वो एक है, या तो मैं अकेली बात कर रही हूँ, या हम सब बात कर रहे हैं. सो आई एम अ गुड स्टूडेंट. मैं एक अच्छा विद्यार्थी हूँ. मी मीन्स मुझे. गिव दिस बुक टू मी. यह किताब मुझे दो. माई मीन्स मेरा. दिस इज़ माई हाउस. यह मेरा घर है. या दिस इज़ माई बुक. यह मेरी किताब है. माइन इज़ ऑल्सो मेरा. दिस बुक इज़ माइन. यह किताब मेरी है. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, वी यूज़ आई, मी, माई, माइन फॉर I, for first person, but we never say mine house or mine chair. No, never. We always say my house, my chair, my pen, my book. Okay, always my. After mine we never use any noun. कोई भी noun नहीं लगाना है mine के बाद. Mine will be at the end. सबसे आखिरी में mine आ जाएगा. नाउ इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट प्लूरल, फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लूरल. अब मैं बात कर रही थी, अब हम सब बात कर रहे हैं. सो वी आर गुड स्टूडेंट्स. हम अच्छे विद्यार्थी हैं. अस मतलब हमें. गिव दिस बुक टू अस. यह किताब हमें दो. आवर हमारा. दिस इज़ आवर हाउस. यह हमारा घर है. आवर्स इज़ ऑल्सो हमारा. दिस हाउस इज़ आवर्स. यह घर हमारा है. नाउ इट इज़ ऑलवेज आवर हाउस, आवर चेयर, आवर बुक, आवर की. नॉट नेवर आवर्स हाउस. नो नाउन विल कम आफ्टर आवर्स. आवर्स के बाद कोई नाउन नहीं. आवर सबसे लास्ट में. ओके, so it is always our house, our chair, our pen. Now second person means the person we are talking to, जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं. अब हमारे सामने it can be one person or many persons. So if there is only one person in front of me, it is you singular. So you मतलब तुम, आप. You write so well. तुम बहुत अच्छा लिखते हो. Your तुम्हारा. I want your book. मुझे तुम्हारी किताब चाहिए. Yours is also तुम्हारा. This book is yours. यह किताब तुम्हारी है. Now again, your book, your chair, your pen. Okay, not never yours book. We will never use this. Okay, never use any noun after yours. So it is always your book, your pen, your chair. Now if I am talking to many people, so you will be plural. तुम सब, आप सब. So you played so well. तुम सब बहुत अच्छा खेले. Your तुम सबका. Your voices are so melodious. तुम सबकी आवाज़ें बहुत सुरीली हैं. Yours तुम सबका. These books are yours. ये किताबें आप सबकी हैं. So your voices, your pens, your bed, your chair. Okay. Now third person means the thing or the person we are talking about, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. Now suppose I and you are talking, and we are talking about a girl, so we will call her she. And if we are talking about a boy, we will call him he. So let's look into this. He means यह. एक लड़के के लिए, for one boy we will use he. He is my friend. यह मेरा दोस्त है. His means इसका. His name is Akmal. इसका नाम अकमल है. This is his key. यह चाबी इसकी है. Him means उसे. I know him. मैं उसे जानता हूँ. So we use he, his and him for boy. For boy. Now for girl we will use she pronoun. Okay. She means यह है लड़की. She is beautiful. यह बहुत सुंदर है. her means इसका. This is her book. यह इसकी किताब है. her also means इसे. I know her. मैं इसे जानता हूँ. hers means इसका. This purse is hers. यह पर्स उसका है. Now it. For anything, for any animal we will use it. It gives milk. कौन मिल्क देगा? Cow. So we are talking about cow. So it gives milk. यह दूध देती है. It is my house. यह मेरा घर है. So for animal or for thing we will use it. Its means इसका. It is my cow. Its calf was born yesterday. यह गाय मेरी है. इसका बछड़ा कल पैदा हुआ था. So we are talking about cow और cow का बछड़ा. तो its calf. Okay. Now if we are talking about many people. Suppose मैं तुमसे बात कर रही हूँ and I am talking about my friends. So they. Plural में they. They means ये सब. They are my friends. ये मेरे दोस्त हैं. Them means इन्हें. I gave your ball to them. मैंने तुम्हारी गेंद इन्हें दे दी. Their means इनका. These are their books. ये किताबें उनकी हैं. So children, I hope first person, second person and third person, they all are clear to you. And you also have to note down in your notebook. Now let's recapitulate. Okay, let's see what we have learnt and if we are able to solve the worksheets or not. Sam and I ate a lot of candy. Sam और मैंने बहुत सारी कैंडी खाई. Now Sam और मैं, तो हम दोनों मतलब we. So we ate a lot of candy. My friends gave me valentines. मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने मुझे valentines गिफ्ट दिया. So they gave me valentines. उन्होंने मुझे गिफ्ट दिया. I made cards for my classmates. मैंने अपने क्लासमेट्स के लिए कार्ड बनाए, मतलब उनके लिए कार्ड बनाए. So I made cards for them. For them. My mom baked cookies for my class. मेरी मॉम ने कुकीज़ बनाई. So mom is a girl, so we will use she. Now we know this. My brother's class had a party. My brother's class मतलब उसकी क्लास ने पार्टी की. उसने पार्टी नहीं की, उसकी क्लास ने. तो his class had a party. My dad picked red roses for my mom. मतलब मेरे डैड मॉम के लिए रेड रोजेस लाए. So my dad, he's a guy, he's a boy, so we will say he. My sister's teddy bear has a heart on it. अब मेरी सिस्टर का टेडी बियर, उसका टेडी बियर, तो her teddy bear. And since my sister is a girl, so we will say her, not his. Okay, her teddy bear has a heart on it. We use his for boy. Bob and Earl's balloons are for the party. Bob and Earl's मतलब वो दोनों, उन दोनों के balloon, so their balloons are for the party. Okay, there is one more worksheet. Sammy likes to ride his bike. Now, Sammy को अपनी बाइक चलाना पसंद है. Now, look at this word his. I told you we use his for boy. So that means Sammy is a boy. So we will say he. He likes to ride his bike. What time is Diandra coming over? Now, Diandra is a girl. So we will say she. What time is she coming over? वो कब आएगी? When I grow up, I want to be like my dad. मतलब जब मैं बड़ा होऊंगा तो मेरे को अपने डैड के जैसा बनना है. So I want to be like him. Like him. I like to play with my 2 brothers. मुझे अपने 2 भाइयों के साथ खेलना पसंद है, मतलब उनके साथ खेलना पसंद है. तो I like to play with them. I like to play with them. My cat has a very long tail. मेरी cat की long tail है, and for cat we use it. Now we know this. It has a very long tail. Now this is the last worksheet. My friends. Now my friends मतलब मेरे friends वो सब, तो they. My friends are they. The girl. For girl we use she. We know this. A cat. A cat is an animal, and for animal we use it. You and I. You and I means हम दोनों. So we. हम we. You and Bill मतलब तुम और Bill. तो तुम दोनों तो you हो. So you. You plural वाला. The boys. The boys means they. है ना, वो सारे boys. अगर एक boy होगा, one boy, we will use he. But since we are talking about many boys, the boys, so we will use they. This boy. Now this boy means one boy, so we will say he. Lisa and her friends. Now Lisa और उसके बहुत सारे दोस्त, so they. So children, I hope you all have understood the topic pronoun, and I want you to watch the video at least twice and then write down whatever you have understood from the video and then show it to me. Also, I will be giving you worksheets, so stay tuned for them. Till then, bye. Thank you.